A friend of mine wanted me to try to fix this broken hay spear. As you can see, it just broke off right there. But these things are a little bit tricky because usually they're some kind of like high carbon steel, kind of like a fork on a forklift. And so the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to grind a bevel on these pieces so that I can get a good weld. But also with this hard steel like this, you need to preheat it. And they really recommend that you preheat it and then you do some post weld heat treatment as well. So I'm going to try that. He wants me to just try to fix it and see how well it holds up. Okay, now that I have preheated and welded it, I'm going to grind this part down here just a little bit smoother so that I can put this piece here just as a little bit of reinforcement. Can't hurt. Okay, now that I've got it all welded up, I'm going to heat it again. And the purpose of preheating material is, well, one thing, it gets the moisture out of the material that you're working on. And number two, after you weld it, after it's been preheated, it allows it to cool at a slower rate. Because if you weld something like this at room temperature, you're heating it up really fast when you weld it, and then it has a tendency to cool quicker. And that's not good for that type of material. It tends to pull apart. Anyway, so I'm gonna heat it up a little bit more, and hopefully this does okay for him. Okay, now that we're done, we're just gonna let this cool slow. The hard part will be getting this thing back into the truck. I put it on this little wagon because I don't have a forklift or anything here, or anything to even haul it to the truck. So we'll use this little wagon. You gotta make do with what you got, right? Anyway, let's try to get this thing into the truck. Okay, now we're gonna attempt to load this thing onto the truck. I mentioned a while ago that I didn't have a forklift or anything, but thankfully I have these here lifting devices. Now, I'm surprised they don't get me for some concealed weapons, but anyway, let's try this and see how it goes. Looked like my lifting devices worked with ease. Well, maybe not with ease. I'd like to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I hope it's been helpful to somebody. Don't forget to hit that like button. And also, if you're not subscribed, I ask that you do so. Thank you for watching, and God bless you.